Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ki MLA ki MDC bat kinung kersan jo keseng Kongres. Hakani kecela, henne kesngi ke arpun reo terek ubenari saw arjakat pra. Hapo ke jelam jong unong ilam ke liang Pyrshah ke yeng dorbar tawan kejela u Dr. Mukul Sangma. Khlieh tur ke Ophis trekam jong ke Central Bureau of Investigation Shillong branch keberan hapo Auckland Road Shillong ban pempawi ke jing Pyrshah ya ke jing Weng kamno ke Sarkar Pleng yau Alok Verma na ke Shuki Director jong ke CBI. Ki MLA bat ki MDC ke seng Kongres kan top ru yakit khot ke Mahila Kongres kila pertajor da ke sor ke bejam ban penram ya ke Sarkar NDA bala Khlieh da Narendra Modi kum menteri rang bakdo kari bat penram jorru ya ke ni ke jingle jong Sarkar bala sensa da ke BJP bat dawaru ya ke jing toket ke babnya halor ke jing thiet je ki lingsonya pom haka portma da ke Sarkar Pleng
Modi hai 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 BJP hai 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 BJP hai 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 Stop privatizing CBI. Stop privatizing CBI. Stop privatizing CBI. Stop privatizing CBI. Ensure free and fair referral investigation. Ensure free and fair referral. Ensure free and fair referral investigation.
Ensure free and fair referral investigation.
तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी.
नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी.
तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी.
नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी.
Narendra Modi down, 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 down. NDA down, 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 down. BJP down, 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 down.
Political parties have to ensure that we, not just as a party, but as a party who connects with the people across the nation, is capable of carrying forward the people of the nation in saving the nation from any kind of foreseeable challenges that can derail the democracy that we all have with utmost sincerity and dedication collectively work to sustain. What the Narendra Modi's government is doing now is visible before all of us. Please remember that police and premier investigating agencies like Central Bureau of Investigation, the CBI, are part and parcel of the whole judiciary system, the whole administration of justice. In a nation when the administration of justice is manipulated, by manipulating the process of investigation, justice will not prevail. That is the reason why it is very serious when we look at as to how Narendra Modi ji has been trying to misuse these premier investigating agencies as its henchmen. And this is precisely what is happening. This is precisely what the nation is seeing. And it's time for every one of us to come therefore together and join Indian National Congress in giving a clarion call to the Narendra Modi ji-led government to stop all this interference, to ensure that the law of the land prevails. We have seen something which has never been witnessed across the nation post-independence. A midnight political coup by a government who is in power to derail the functioning of a premier investigating agencies. While number of important cases are pending and are in the whole process of investigation. Now, people have to read between the lines. What is happening? We have seen number of manipulation in bringing in the so-called blue-eyed boy of the Prime Minister into the CBI, and in order to prevent the spilling of beans, they have resorted to this. To hide one sin, they have committed another sin, and they will continue to commit sin to hide each of the sins they commit every day. It's dangerous. You know what happens when people try to hide sins? They commit further sins. And these scenes of NDA government, the scenes of the BJP-led Narendra Modi's government, of trying to derail the administration of justice is a dangerous trend. Therefore, we have seen across the nation the leaders of Indian National Congress coming together collectively and drawing the attention of the nation. We have seen our Congress President Rahul Gandhi ji leading the demonstration and court arresting, because we want to draw the attention of the nation. We cannot be silent spectators. This nation belongs to each one of us. We care for the future of our children and grandchildren. Therefore, we cannot be silent spectators. When I say we, I do not refer to only the members of the great Indian National Congress Party, but we are also referring to all of us, the citizens of this great nation. We must all come together. We must tell the people what is happening and how this attempt by the NDA government to manipulate all the institutions and destroy all institutions after institutions is a danger for the democracy. The process of law is derailed by interfering in the process of investigation and charge sitting. How do you expect justice to prevail? And when justice do not prevail, I am telling you, people will not find any more reason to knock the door of the judiciary. And that is when the threat for democracy will come. So it is a complete attempt to manipulate the whole administration of justice, which is dangerous for the sustainability of the democracy that has withstood the test of time. Therefore, it's again befitting and pertinent for all the citizens of the great nation to come together, join, and then articulate our concern, our voices collectively.
Stop interfering! Stop interfering! Stop interfering! Stop interfering!
Stop interfering in the administration of justice. So different people will understand it differently.
Stop interfering!
In the administration of justice.
Stop interfering! Stop interfering! Stop interfering! Stop interfering! Narendra Modi! Narendra Modi! Narendra Modi! Narendra Modi! Narendra Modi! BJP हटाओ! BJP हटाओ! BJP हटाओ! BJP हटाओ! Stop anti-national policy! Stop anti-national policy! Stop anti-national policy! Stop anti-national policy! BJP government! Down! Long live Congress Party! Long live Congress Party! Rahul Gandhi! Zindabad! Rahul Gandhi! Zindabad! Modi! Down! Narendra Modi! Down! Rahul Gandhi! Zindabad! Rahul Gandhi! Zindabad! Rahul Gandhi! Zindabad! BJP government! BJP government! BJP government! BJP government!